As the harsh winter months settle in, it's important that you think about keeping your pet safe from all the dangers that the season can present. Do not leave your pet outdoors when temperatures drop below freezing. Dogs need outdoor exercise, but take care not to keep them outdoors for lengthy periods of time. Pets that are mostly indoors need time to adapt to cold temperatures by building up a thicker coat and toughening their foot pads for ice and snow.
So if you have dogs or cats, you need to be extremely cautious with salt on the foot pads of your dog. It's very, very irritating. It can cause a dermatitis, but also if they ingest too much of it, they're licking their feet and they lick the salt off their feet. Over time, that can really actually make them sick. Antifreeze, as we know, is very, very toxic to a lot of our species. It can cause kidney failure. So making sure that you don't have any antifreeze leaking on the floor, no open bottles where your dogs and cats can have access to it, because unfortunately antifreeze has a very sweet flavor and it tastes very good. And last but not least, maybe something that a lot of people don't think of is when you're letting your dog jump in and out of your car when you're traveling this winter, you want to make sure that the surface that they're jumping off of and jumping onto does not have any ice on it. A lot of dogs can actually tear their cruciate ligaments trying to jump into a car from a slippery surface. And likewise, I've actually seen them also fracture their teeth jumping out of a car onto an icy surface and they hit their heads. So just making sure, look around your car before you let your dog just kind of, they always barrel right out of there. Make sure that it's a safe surface for him to be landing on. So during the winter months, depending on the type of exotic pet that you own, you really need to be paying attention to the temperature of the enclosures that they're kept in. For animals like reptiles and birds, they really should not be exposed to temperatures less than 70 degrees. Those animals usually prefer a warmer, more tropical environment, and we still need to provide that in the winter, even though outside that's not what is happening. A lot of our smaller rodents, things like bunnies, guinea pigs, or chinchillas, are going to be much more tolerant of colder temperatures and can probably actually tolerate temperatures down between 50 and 60 degrees.